What does travel really mean to you? Is it just moving from one place to another, or is it something deeper than that? Because for me, traveling is not just moving from one place to another, it's discovery, it's emotion, it's growth, and most importantly, it's becoming. And that's why I didn't just want to travel, I wanted to document the journey. Hey guys, welcome back to Elynn Adventures. If you're new here, my name is Elynn, and this space is about travel, exploration, and discovering new places or beautiful places across Kenya and beyond. But today, I don't want to talk about places, I want to talk about meaning. Because before I travel the world, I had first to understand why I want to travel in the first place. So today I want to share with you what travel really means to me and why I decided to document my journey from the very beginning. And I want you to stay with me to the end because I also want to know what travel means to you. Growing up, I used to think travel was simple. It meant going somewhere new, taking pictures, and seeing places you've never seen before. But over time, that idea started to change because every time I watched people travel, I noticed something deeper happening. They were not just seeing places, they were experiencing life differently. And I started asking myself, what if travel isn't just about where you go, but who you become along the way? That question changed everything because I realized I didn't just want to visit places, but I wanted to understand life through places. For me, travel represents something personal. It represents freedom. Freedom from routine, freedom from limitation, and freedom from the idea that life must look a certain way. Even when I'm not physically traveling right now, I feel like my mind is already moving. Every time I learn something new, I feel like I'm traveling mentally. Every time I meet new people or hear new stories, I feel like I'm expanding my world. So, in a way, I've already started traveling, just in a different form. And maybe that's something we don't talk about, that travel begins in the mind before it begins in motion. Now, let me tell you why I started to record my journey. I realized something important. If I start recording when everything is perfect, I will lose the most important part of my story, the beginning. The beginning is where doubt exists, fear exists, growth is happening quietly, and dreams are still fragile. And I don't want to miss that. I want to look back one day and see where I started, how I thought, how I grew, and how everything slowly changed. And that is why I chose document even this stage, early stage, because this is where real transformation begins. Let me ask you something important. What does travel mean to you? Is it escape? Is it adventure? Is it peace? Or is it something else entirely? And also tell me, if you could travel somewhere in the world right now, where would it be and why? Let's connect in the comments. One thing I have learned is that memories fade, but documentation stays. When you document your journey, you track your growth, you understand your transformation, you inspire others even without trying, and you create something that lasts beyond the moment. And maybe someone out there is watching my journey and thinking, if she can start from there, maybe I can too. And that alone makes it worth it. Because Elynn Adventures is not just about me traveling the world, it's about showing that a journey can start from anywhere, even from a small beginning. So, what does travel means to me? It means becoming. It means growing through places and experiences, whether near or far. And why am I documenting my journey? Because I don't want to just arrive somewhere. and tell the story later. I want to leave the story as it unfolds. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to Elynn Adventures. And I want to ask you one more question. Do you think travel changes people or it reveals who they already are? I'll be reading your answers. Bye! Until next time.